Bromate, a hidden risk in water. Today, we use an experiment to visually demonstrate our core capability in efficiently eliminating bromate. The experiment used simulated water samples containing bromate, and the detected initial concentration was higher than the national standard. Next, we'll deploy our independently developed treatment system. Sodium sulfide is added to consume elemental bromate. With our proprietary reaction system, bromate is directionally converted within 30 seconds. Our technology not only enables rapid reaction, but also precisely controls the reaction path to avoid secondary dilution. After verification by laboratory personnel in strict accordance with testing standards, the bromate concentration in the treated water sample has reached an undetectable level. From laboratory trials to engineering applications, our bromate treatment technology has achieved large-scale implementation, which is far below the national standard limit. From exceeding the standard to meeting it, we prove our strength with data. Whether for drinking water purification or industrial wastewater treatment, we deliver stable and reliable solutions.
Unibrom.